Stop! Faithful ka ba sa iyong studies, top 1 attorneys? Watch this. Let's try to answer this drill from Labor Law and Social Legislation happened in 2012. Juicy Bar, a nightclub allowed by tolerance 50 GROs or guest relations officers to work without compensation in its establishment under the direct supervision of its manager from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. every day, including Sundays and holidays. The GROs, however, were free to ply their trade elsewhere at any time, but once they entered the premises of the nightclub, they were required to stay up to the closing time. The GROs earned their keep exclusively from the commissions for food and drinks and tips from generous customers. In time, the GROs formed the Solar Ugnayan ng mga kababaihang inaapi or Suke, a labor union duly registered with DOLE. Subsequently, Suki filed a petition for certification election in order to be recognized as the exclusive bargaining agent of its members. Juicy Bar and Nightclub opposed the petition for certification election on the singular ground of absence of employer-employee relationship between the GROs on one hand and the nightclub on the other hand. May the GROs form Suki as a labor organization for purposes of collective bargaining? Explain briefly. Okay, top ones. First thing and foremost, you need to read first the question. Okay? You may find it at the bottom of the situation or the paragraph. Okay? So the question is, may the GROs form Suki as a labor organization for purposes of collective bargaining? So you read that twice before you read all the situation or the paragraph. Okay, next is to find the mahiwagang issues and mahiwagang legal keywords. All you have to do is to pair it both so that you would derive your final nearest answer. Okay, so top ones, what are or what is are the issues here? Okay, the issues are whether or not the guest relations officers working at the juicy bar and nightclub can form an organization, okay, for collective bargaining regarding the employer-employee relationship, okay, against them with juicy bar and nightclub. So those are the issues, okay. The what are the mahiwagang legal keywords? All you have to do is to pair it. After pairing it, you find it on your codals and jurisprudence. Okay, have you recalled your codals and jurisprudence? So our answer would be top ones is yes. The GROs work under the supervision of nightclub manager for a substantial period of time. Hence, under Article 138, with or without compensation, the GROs or the guest relations officers are to be deemed employees. As such, they are entitled to all the rights and benefits granted to employee or the workers under our Constitution and other pieces of labor legislation, including the right to form labor unions. Okay? Including the right to form labor unions or organizations for purposes for collective bargaining. So you may find it in in our Constitution. Okay? Article 13, okay, and also section 3 of the labor code, article 243. Okay, top ones. Okay, always remember you have your mahiwagang issues and mahiwagang legal keywords. Okay, so if you find this interesting or you may dig deep to your studies, um, you may message us for further analysis and application into your um, questionnaires. Okay, thank you very much for listening, top ones, and kindly like, share, and comment this video so that you would receive more drills, more questions every single day. God bless, God bless. Love you all, top ones.